Hi everyone, this is Desmond from District Tuition. I just want to do a quick video on algebra revision. I saw a question pop up in a revision question for one of my students, and it was this: 4a minus 2b equals 10. So the question was, what does 2a minus b equal? Well, some of you may have got this straight away, but this video is for those who might be struggling with something like this. Don't worry. You may be trying to work out what a is and what b is. In fact, a and b could be quite a few different numbers. In fact, it could almost be anything. The relationship between these two numbers stays the same, so the difference between them as a ratio stays the same. But as for what a could be and what b could be, we don't know. And we will never know. But what is interesting is, even though a could be any number of numbers and b could be any number of numbers, the answer is always the same. And I'll show you this. So first of all, let's work with this. 4a take 2b equals 10. Well, 2a is half of 4a, and 1b, is half of 2b's. So the answer must be half. Half of 10 is 5. Okay. Next question. 2b minus 4a. Okay, as you can tell, we've swapped them around. We did have 4a take 2b equals 10. Now we have 2b take 4a, and we need an answer. It might help now to try and imagine what number a and b could be. Okay, not everyone will solve it like this, by the way. I have quite a strange way of looking at problems like this. I have to make something like this refer to real numbers. Otherwise, to me, it just gets a bit obscure. So let's guess what a could be and guess what b could be and see if it works out as 10. So I need to think of a number that a could be and a number that b could be. That'll equal 10. So let's say that in order to equal 10, a, for instance, could be 5. So 4 of them would equal 20, and b could also be 5. Take 2 away equals 10. All right, so let's do that. So b is now 5. 2 times 5. Take away 4 times 5. Okay, this is our 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Take away 4 times 5 is 20. We end up with the answer negative 10. Okay, so what did I do there? I came up with numbers for a and b that would make my answer correct. We are told that 4a minus 2b equals 10. So that means that a and b could actually be the same number. Could be 5, for instance. So we picked 5 because that would make our answer correct. And if 5 makes our answer correct here, then it also makes our answer correct here. Just to take this to the nth level, I want to take this to the next level now. I'm going to pick 2 other numbers. Another number that a could be, you might pick something really ridiculously big. Like you might go, okay, a is 200. All right. And b, if a is 200, 4 a's would be 800. And then you'd need to take something away to make 10. All right. Well, to turn 800 into 10, you need to take away 790. 2 times b equals 790 in that case. So hang on a minute. I'm now going to decide that a equals 200, which means 4 a's equal 800. Okay? Now, to make my answer correct here, B would have to be 395, because two of them would be 790. And 800 take away 790 would be 10. Okay. Take away 2b, and 2b equals 790. So we end up with 800 take 790, which would also equal 10. So you can pick a number for A, but make sure that whatever you pick for B, it makes your answer correct. Or you could do the other way around. You could pick a number for B and then make sure whatever you pick for A will make your answer correct. Right. So we now know that 2A minus B equals 5, because we knew that 4A minus B is 10. We halved it, remember? Here's our new question. How about this? Try this one. So, if we'll come up with two new numbers, A, B, I know, A, B, and if C plus D equals 3. Sorry, I'm getting confused here. All right, let me just put a line through that. I couldn't remember the question. The question was actually this. If A plus C equals 3 and 2A minus B equal 5, what equals 23? Okay, this is quite easy because we are told that A plus C equals 3. We need to get to 23. So I feel like we've already solved the 3 part, you know? So this is actually just what equals 20, because A plus C equal 3. So the real question is, what equals 20? Because when we add the what to the A and the C, we'll get our 23. Do you remember this over here? 4A minus 2B equals 10. Well, we just have to get to 20. Hang on a minute. Could we not just double this? Well, we halved it last time, so of course we can double it. We can have 8A minus 4B as opposed to 4A minus 2B. And it no longer equals 10, it equals 20. There's our 20. Now we just add our 3 on. Okay, let's write it. 8A minus 4B. That's our 20, guys, there. All right. Now we need to add our 3 on. Now I can't just add 3. I need to add A and C plus A plus C equals 23. Sorry if I didn't have that in shot then. Okay. So 8A plus 4B equaled our 20, and the A plus C equaled 23. Sorry, equaled 3. A plus C equaled 3, and 8A plus 4B equaled 20. Let's simplify this. I can see we have similar terms here. We have 8 A's and an A. What is 8 apples plus 1 apple? 9 apples. Take away 4 B's equals 23. I hope that helps you guys with your revision. Thank you for watching. Cheers. This is Desmond at